Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to revise chapter number 1, topics nervous system, neuron, nerve and types of neuron. That is from page number 1 to 3. And we have to mark the questions in the exercise that are related to these topics. First we will do question number 1 and circle the correct option. Statement 1. The neuron which decides about the action for a certain stimulus. Option A. Sensory neuron. B. Motor neuron. C. Interneuron. D. All of A, B, C. The correct option is C. Interneuron. Second statement. The part of a neuron which receive messages are A. Cell bodies, D. Dendrites, C. Axons, D. Nuclei. The correct option is B. Dendrites. Third statement. Heartbeat is controlled by option A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla oblongata, D. Hypothalamus. Correct option is B. Option C. Medulla oblongata. Statement 4. Many axons present side by side and enclosed in a common sheath. Option A. Nerve cell, B. Nerve, C. Dendrites, D. Spinal cord. Correct option is B. Nerve. Fifth statement. Sensory neurons carry message to words. A. Muscles, B. Muscles and glands, C. Sense organs, D. Brain and spinal cord. Correct option is D. Brain and spinal cord. Sixth statement. If body movements are not precise and accurate, the part of the brain which may be affected. A. Cerebellum, B. Cerebrum, C. Thalamus, D. Midbrain. The correct option is A. Cerebellum. Statement. When you have a toothache, you feel pain because A. There is a cavity in your tooth, B. Tiny bits of foods are left between your teeth, C. Bacteria digest the food left between your teeth and produce an acid, D. The cavity reaches the nerve and the nerves send a message to the brain. Correct option is D. The cavity reaches the nerves and nerves send a message to the brain. Eighth statement. The part of the body which filters nitrogenous waste from blood. A. Liver, B. Kidney, C. Intestine, D. Stomach. Correct option is B. Kidney. Ninth statement. The part of a nephron where reabsorption of useful materials occur from filtrate to blood. Option A. Glomerulus, B. Renal tubule, C. Collecting duct, D. Bowman's capsule. Correct option is B. Renal tubule. Tenth statement. The function of nephron is to A. Store urine, B. Form urine, C. Push out urine from urinary bladder, D. Break stones in kidneys. Correct option is B. Form urine. Question number 2. Write names of the main parts of the following. Third part, neuron. Question number 3. Write the functions of the following. Third part, neuron. The answer is on page number 2. For question number 2, write the names of the main parts of the neuron. We have to draw this diagram and label it and answer from this line to this line. Functions, the answer will start from this line to this line. The neuron starts from this line up to this line, and parts of the neuron start from this line to this line, including this diagram.